Hello friends, myself Dr. V.N. Deshmukh, Associate Professor at Sudhakar Rao Institute of Pharmacy, Pusat. Friends, today we will study the modern method for the extraction of crude drug, that is pressurized liquid extraction. In this method, the extraction solvent is kept at elevated temperature and pressure to increase the extraction efficiency. Pressurized liquid extraction is also known as accelerated solvent extraction, pressurized fluid extraction, accelerated fluid extraction, enhanced solvent extraction, and high pressure solvent extraction. In case of the pressurized liquid extraction, solvent is kept at elevated temperature and pressure to increase the extraction efficiency due to the higher temperature. Because of the higher temperature, the extraction capacity will get increased, but at the higher temperature the solvent should remain in the liquid condition. In the liquid state, the pressure is applied. So in this case, the temperature is increased and the pressure is also applied. The extraction process is carried out above the normal boiling point of the solvent. The extraction process, it is carried out above the normal boiling point of the solvent. In case of the solvents which are used in the extraction of the phytoconstituents, they have a very low boiling point. So above the normal boiling point of the solvent, the extraction is carried out. So above the normal boiling point, the liquid will get converted into the gas. The solvent will get converted into the gas. So for the gas, for not to convert the solvent into the gas, the pressure is applied so that the solvent will remain in the liquid condition. So at the same time, pressure is applied to keep the solvent in the liquid state. In case of this pressurized liquid extraction, increased temperature accelerates the extraction process. As we know that as there is an increase in the temperature, the rate of extraction of the phytoconstituents get increased. So increased pressure keeps the solvent below its boiling point, causes the increase in the extraction process, whereas increased pressure keeps the solvent below the boiling point, causing efficient extraction of the phytoconstituents. So by the application of the higher temperature and by using the increased pressure, one can extract the phytoconstituents which are present in the crude drug. The use of higher temperature enhances the capacity of the solvent to solubilize phytoconstituents in different ways. So due to the higher temperature, there is an increase in the capacity of the solvent. It can solubilize the phytoconstituents which are present in the matrix of the crude drug. Due to the higher temperature, there is a fast diffusion rate of the phytoconstituents which are present in the crude drug. It reduces the viscosity of the solvent. Due to the increase in the temperature, there is a decrease in viscosity. So the decrease in viscosity of the solvent can penetrate the solvent efficiently in the matrix of the crude drug, and it will extract the phytoconstituents which are present in the crude drug, disrupt the strong solute matrix interaction caused by van der Waals forces, hydrogen bonding, and dipole attraction due to this higher temperature. So there is a disturbance in the strong solute matrix interaction. It causes a disturbances in the van der Waals forces, hydrogen bonding, and dipole attraction, due to which a efficient extraction of the phytoconstituents which are present in the crude drug takes place due to the higher temperature. And at the higher temperature, the solvent should remain in the liquid state, so the pressure is applied. So here the working of the pressurized liquid extraction. Here the solvent, one can use a single solvent and one can use a mixing of the solvent. For the mixing of the solvent, here the mixing valve is given. This is the pump for the solvent which is pumped at higher pressure. This is a relief valve. From here the pressure is applied. This is the oven in which the extraction cell is placed. The temperature of the oven can be maintained at a higher temperature. Then this is the static valve, and here you can get in the collection bottle the collected extract can be obtained. So in this case the temperature can be increased by the oven. By the oven the temperature can be increased. In this extraction cell you have to place the crude drug. You have to place the crude drug. Here the solvent will enter with higher pressure. It will enter into the oven. Here the temperature will get increased due to the higher temperature and a higher pressure. The liquid can easily penetrate and extract the phytoconstant which are present, which will get collected into the collection bottle. This is the schematic diagram of the pressurized liquid extraction. In this case the A, it is a solvent supply where the solvent is placed. B is the pump. C, it is the purge valve. D, it is the extraction cell. E is the furnace, or one can call it as an oven which can increase the temperature. Then F is the static valve. G is the collection vial. H is the vent of the collection vial, and this I, it is the inert gas supply. This is the inert gas supply. So this is the overall view of the pressurized liquid extraction. The liquid or the solvent which is used for the extraction, it is pumped by pump P into the extraction cell. The pressure is maintained by the inert gas supply. The C, it is a purge valve which is used for this purpose. Then it is this in the D. In the D you have to place the crude drug in a coarse powder form. Here the solvent will enter. At the higher temperature can be improved or increased by this furnace or by this oven. So at the higher temperature and higher pressure, efficient extraction of the phytoconstant from the crude drug will take place, and after extraction the extract will get collected into the G vial. So the sample is loaded in a stainless steel extraction cell into which a solvent is pumped through the solvent vial and brought to the specified temperature and pressure. The temperature is normally kept between 80 to 200 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is kept between 10 to 20 megapascal. In order to permit the solubilization of the phytoconstants into the solvent, this temperature and pressure conditions can be maintained for few minutes so that the extraction of the phytoconstants can take place through the crude drug. The extract form is pushed into the collection vial by supplying a second alucat of the solvent into the extraction cell, and this second alucat is then collected into the same vial by purging it into the inert gas flow like nitrogen. In order to avoid lump formation while handling the moisture material, if the material is moist one, then the formation of the lump will take place and the solvent cannot percolate through this crude drug. So you have to add a diatomaceous earth, that is the Kesselgar, it is to be used. The whole process takes around 15 to 20 minutes. That is, within 15 to 20 minutes the complete extraction of the phytoconstituents will take place through the crude drug. Advantages of pressurized liquid extraction. Pressurized liquid extraction can be used very conveniently with low sample ranging from 1 to 100 gram. If the sample amount is low, that is, if it is 1 gram also, this pressurized liquid extraction can be used for the extraction purpose. Reduces use of high cost solvent. The high cost solvent there is no need to use The high cost solvent offers low cost per sample. The cost is less as compared to the other methods of the extraction. Very suitable for the isolation of the phytoconstituents that are present in minute quantities, thereby facilitate the identification of phytoconstituents by the various techniques like mass and NMR spectroscopy. So it is suitable for the isolation of the phytoconstituents. They are present in very less amount, and further these phytoconstituents which are obtained, it can be analyzed by using a mass or NMR spectroscopy. Extraction process, it is very fast. Within the 15 to 20 minutes the extraction can be carried out, so it will reduce the time which is required for the extraction. Disadvantage: due to high temperature and high pressure conditions, the whole setup is required. Use a specialized equipment. You have to use a specialized equipment in order to comply with the safety provision. So a specialized pressurized liquid extractor you have to use for the extraction, because the high temperature is to be maintained, high pressure is to be maintained. The method is not suitable for the isolation of the thermolabile phytoconstituents. If the thermolabile phytoconstituents are present in the crude drug, then this method is not useful. As the process is carried out at the higher temperature, this method is not suitable for the thermolabile phytoconstituents. Thank you very much.